Okay, let's go over how to draw Tom Nook from Animal Crossing New Horizon. It's going to be very simple and easy, and it's for beginners. So follow step by step with me, grab a marker, and let's get going. Or you can grab a pen or pencil as well. You start right here with the roundness of the head. It's essentially going to be like kind of a U shape. A C for one of the ears. Top of the head. C for the kind of other ear. Now we're going to do the inside of the ear. Pulling another straight line right here and a round shape for the inside of the ear. Now we're going to do the nose shape. Notice how it's kind of straight at the top, it's kind of the nose and the snout. Closing it off for just the nose. Now I'm going to draw a round egg shape. Remember, it's going to be behind the nose, but it's going to be the eye. And then an eye on this other side as well. Think of like an egg shape. Draw a straight line above. His eyes are droopy. Line right there for the pupil and iris as one. I might just kind of fill that in. Same on this side. Just gonna fill it in. And then draw that pattern around his eye. Put up. Pulling down. Then I'm going to draw his body, which is going to be basically a little round belly. Think of like a little ball. It's going to be cut over here because it's going to be stopped by his arm. Pulling down. His arm's going to pull down. Cut it off here. He has a sleeve sticking out. Right now we're drawing the vest. Far side of the arm. Bottom sleeve. Now we're going to pull the underside of the vest he's wearing. If you need to go back, please go back. Rewind if you have to for each step. And this is the pattern toward the bottom of his vest. Let's put a V shape toward the front of his vest. Another V shape. A little bit close on that side. His tie. This is essentially like two blots because they're underneath the vest. He's got a pen in his pocket. I'm going to throw a straight line right here and just simplify it. Straight line, another straight line to represent that pen. His pulling down his feet and leg on one side as one piece, and his feet and leg on the other side as one piece. Then I'm going to draw a straight line down there because those are essentially pants he's wearing. And then I'm going to draw the tail, which is round. And draw another line right here to show the sleeve. And that is pretty much it. That is Tom Nook with his vest. Very simple, very easy. If you had issues with that, rewind and go back and follow along again. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, how are you guys enjoying the new Animal Crossing? Are you really impressed by it? I absolutely love the game. I am obsessed with it. But thanks a lot. I will watch me in the next video. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it. Thank you guys.